Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change primary country or region on your Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app. From this section, you're gonna go to your profile section right over here. Right, you're gonna switch to professional or business account. Once you have done that, you're gonna go to edit profile right over here, and then you will find this kind of interface. From this section, you're gonna simply go ahead, scroll, and if it's your business account, simply gonna have to edit your business address. Right, well, you simply have to change your business address because that's the only option available for you to change your country or region, because Instagram will have a determined country or region for you based on where your number is from, what number you're using, and where in what country it's being activated. And the alternative options for you to change your region or country is to simply use another number, activate your account in another country obviously, or use an ad and VPN to activate your account. That's how you can change your country or region, because a VPN will be connected to any other country, right? So those are the options available only for the Instagram like that. And hope this video was helpful enough. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.